Yo, 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 listen up, listen up. Oh, we back. Everybody said we back and we better. All right. Okay, I'm wearing a hat. What does that mean?
Haircut.
I'm getting a haircut today, yo.
I like to fit.
Thank you. I got a little Nike. It's called the Ash Wash. So I got like an Ash Wash Nike sweatsuit on. I am strong and I am kind. I can do anything. I put to my mind. We're gonna have a great day. We're gonna have a great time. I can do anything. I put to my mind. Say fourth grade. That's who we are. We're gonna have a great day. We're gonna have a great time. I am strong and I am kind. I can do anything. I put to my eye. Here we go, real big. Here we go. Give me 2 claps. 2 claps.